What is going on, guys? MCF Got Milk here, and welcome back to another auto video. Real quick, I want to say something. I'm sorry for having posted in the last 4 days. Just working, having a girlfriend, being a probationary firefighter, and YouTube is a lot to juggle. So lately it's just been a whole mess, but I'm back and let's get into it. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your windows properly. It's kind of a weird video, kind of easy, simple, like, oh, I already know that, so you don't have to really watch if you don't want to, but it's just a quick, easy 1, 2, 3 on how to thoroughly get your windows to be invisible. But before we start, obviously, make sure you like, comment, subscribe this video. It helps me out tremendously, and guess what? It's free. Okay, so let's get right into it. The thing I don't like using are these. I'm not a big fan of the glass cleaning wipes. They always leave like residue, or like you can see where you wipe them down. If you're gonna use these, go for it. If you love them, go for it. I don't care. There's a million different brands of them, but I'd advise using a microfiber towel or a t-shirt after you're done cleaning with these, so there's no like smudges. But me, I like old-fashioned. I like old-fashioned spray and wipes. This one's just like simple, like one of those cheap Windex brands, the glass cleaner. So I'll show you how you guys can do it. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see there's pollen and other residue all over the window. So I'm telling you how to clean that. You're gonna see the camera and everything behind, but yeah, it's really simple. You spray. What you're gonna wanna do is, you wanna go in circles first. Circles so you can tack the dirt from all angles. And after you get a little bit clean, turn it over, up and down motions. Again, attack dirt from all sides and every nook and cranny of everything. And if you can see, it's like crystal clear mirrors. Everything reflects off. You can see kind of right through it to the back of the car. It's just perfectly clean. So again, you want to spray, circles all around, flip it around, up and down, attack all sides, every dirt, to make it crystal clear. That's it. Again, really quick and simple and easy. Again, these aren't videos that are supposed to be 10 minutes long or 20 minutes long. Simple 2-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute video for you guys to learn how to do things simply. Again, common sense things, but hey, sometimes people just, I see them go in circles and they leave it. And if you get that extra step, that one up and down, it's gonna be twice as better. So, all benefit for you. But alright guys, that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said earlier, it helps me out a lot. We're almost at 600 subscribers. 600, that's insane. But thank you guys so much. And as always, have a great day.